What's price want to do here? We're trading inside the channel, and so this is the way we learn the best, is by trading when the market's giving us just a bunch of junk. All right, so let's see. Even. 160, 180, there we go, 420, 560, 580, 660 on that one. I'm wondering if the market's called for a bottom right here or not. Let's see what the market's up to today. Okay, I'm gonna go long right there. And I might have been a bit hasty on this one. I might have been spot on. Let's just see. 260, 300, 320, good. 380, 440. Okay. All right, so there's 680 on that trade right there. I'm gonna take a sell right there. Price market rejected this low right here, totally fine. I'm just gonna enter this one again, and there's 680, 740, 1000, 1600. All right, 1340 on that one. I don't know if I want to go. I'm gonna go long right there. We'll take a flyer on. We'll take a flyer on this one. I don't know if I believe in this move as much as the model does, but I'm gonna believe in the model. So let's see. Looks like my entry was trash. My fill was bad. My fill was bad. My entry was good. My fill was bad. And so let's see if that's going to be the determining factor on this trade here, or if going long on this move is even wise at all. Let's see. So 360, 240, 280, 320, 340, 280. So we're bouncing. We're hovering. Let's see what price wants to do here. Okay, profitable, 120, 180, 300. So the model was right. Holy cow. 240, 220. Okay, we'll take 160 on that one. We're not going to blow up an account. Go another long right there. Okay, entry was right as I clicked. That's good. 200, 220. We got 220, 260, 300. Okay, we'll take another 120 right there. As I don't like the choppiness the market's giving me, but I do like these moves. So we're crushing right now. Not by much, it looks like. 240, 400, 320, 400, 540. We'll take, end up being 320 on that one, really good. So 320 on that trade, really nice. All right, that went down at 40. Okay. Really good. Let's see what we get here. Now, we're going to trade between this range. I'm going to keep shorting this. Sell right there. Good entry. I got a good fill on that one. I bitch at TradingView a lot. I got a good fill on that one. Okay, data's a little bit delayed. It's fine. Here we're down 220. Now we're even. Now we're down. Even, down, up. There we go. There's 240. We'll take 280 on that one. We're going to wait for this pullback here. It's going to be strong if we get it. Like really strong. Price just doesn't halt. This isn't what price does. It doesn't just halt right here and do nothing. Not after this candle right here. All right. So sellers stepped in and pushed this thing down. Buyers now in control, pushing it back up. Let's see how high buyers can push it before we get into this thing. I don't know that price is going to reverse all the way back up here, but if it does, we're going to catch it. So let's see what we have here. I still don't think this is high enough. I think somewhere around this 26 level, like there's like 10 points of movement here that we could get. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But we're going to wait on this candle. This is a dangerous candle here. So the model called all of these sell, sell, and sell. So if we followed the model perfectly, we would have a huge profit on that trade. All right. So okay. So this is probably going to pop down here in just a second. Okay. So it does. Now we're going to continue this downtrend, or are we going to pop up a little bit and maybe try to test that high right there, which is a little bit too high. Okay. I'm going to test that. I'm going to test the previous wick, previous candles a high. I'm going to test that and see what price wants to do with it. Let's see if it wants to go up here. Now we're 8 points away, but we're about 9 points away. And so if price touches this thing, oh, okay, we're down 200 bucks on that one. Price flew through it. Now it's pulling back. There's 100, there's 120, 280, 200, 240. Let's close out at 240 on that one. We're getting a lot. The wick test strategy or wick test setup is kind of the one I really like, but it's not the previous candle, it's the one before it. Okay, so if we're trending down, like if we touch, I hope you guys can see this. Okay, wick strategy, like peep this for a second. ignore this candle. We won't take a trade yet. This candle opens and it runs and it touches this. Okay, now let's see if we can get, I'm gonna go to another sell, but I'm gonna put the sell at that previous, there it is. I'm gonna put the sell at that previous low right there. When we're looking for these sells, if we can find a spot to get ourselves in at a previous candle low, like price is gonna pay attention to that and it's gonna react off of it. Now, it might react off the wrong candle for us, like it is right now. That's what we're looking for. For this candle, we'll let this trade play out. For this candle right here, price got up and it touches the previous low of the former candles, not this one, but the one before it. It was 400. I don't want to get back all the wins I just have, so let's close this one out if we can get a chance. Okay, actually, are we going to get even on this one? Let's see. 2, 3. Let's see what price wants to do. 380. If we get to 5, we should be out. Okay. That's what I want to do here. If we can get even, that'd be sick. We might not get the chance. Oh, there we go. 60. There we go. 180, 160, 280, 320, 420, 440, 5. We'll take 520 on that one. Let's go long right there. Okay. Get that limit order out of there. Okay, we're at 40 bucks minus 20. Okay, so I got in a little early, but I like my spot here. And let's see if we can get past that recent high. If we can, good. If we can't, then we'll be in trouble. Let's see. There's 320. There's 340, 400. Boom. 5, 6, 500, 660, 720, 660. We'll take 700 bucks on that trade. Really, really, really good trade on that one. Super solid trade there. Great to capture that. Let's keep it going here. Okay. Okay, so we got a lot of, let me see if there's any news going right now. Let's see, Forex Factory. Check all my news on Forex Factory. I don't know that we have a ton. We had some at 930 oil reserves, but nothing special, so we're good to go there. Thank you, Brendan. Thank you guys for tuning in, subscribing, and liking. We're gonna go long again here. Maybe a tad early. I probably would like to get a fill of my entry down here. Now, that's not because TradingView's ass. That's because I'm ass and being patient. I didn't wait. But I do think that there's a ton of buying happening. So being in this trade is better than not being in this trade, I think, so far. But my entry was not great. It should have been down here, and we'd be super profitable. And then we would just be waiting to see what price wants to do from here instead of being down 200 bucks. Okay, so basically I'm out 200 bucks on this one because my entry was a little bit early, which happens. It happens. But my entry stunk, and that's why I got in. Is where I did. All right, so 60 bucks even. So maybe price is going to sit here. Yep, there's minus 340. Okay, let's see if we get price to push down or push up here. 400, 320, 280, 240. 160. Are we going to get price to go up or what? Okay. 300, 180, 140, 80. Even are we going? For even, we're leaving. There's 20. There we go. 160, 220, 400, 420, 440. All right. We'll take 320 on that one.